Alrighty, so let's go over how to draw Wednesday from Netflix's Wednesday. Let's go through this, okay? It's going to go through it step by step, easy for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you should be able to draw this. Just going to be like a headshot, very simple, okay? Let's get started. First thing I do here is I'm going to start with kind of Wednesday's eye right here, and I'm going to draw a straight line on that side. Go over here on this side, straight line on this side. So you get the top part of the eyes. She's got those kind of droopy eye thing going on, so I'm going to go curve here. Gonna go on this side, curve here. And then over here I'm going to draw another curve for the eye, because again, she's got that droopy eye look, that kind of, you know, you can see a lot of the white of the eye on the bottom. Line right here, fill it in. Line right here, fill it in. Maybe throw the eyelid right there, very small eyelid. Small eyelid over here. Line underneath, line underneath. Cool, cool. So far, so good. Gonna go down here, the nose. And I'm gonna just draw like curve right here for the tip of the nose. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw stuff. I go over how to draw something every single day. You don't want to miss it. Definitely hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. Gonna go over here on this side, line over here for the nostrils. Curve for one side of the nostril. Over here on the other side, I'm gonna curve on this side right here. Okay. Cool, cool. Gonna pull like a slight thin line down here for the, I think they call it philtrum, I can't remember, right above the mouth. Line down here, up for kind of the middle of the lip there. Rest of the lip there. Rest of the layer. Curve. Line over here, line over here, and underneath here. Right on. Gonna go over here on this side. Right there for one side of the face. Line down here for the chin. Slight curve for the other side. So you got that same kind of look right there. What I want to do now is I want to thicken out the kind of the eye area right here. Make it look like there's a cast shadow. A cast shadow. Like she's wearing some sort of makeup right there. Just kind of thicken that line out. And the new Wednesday, she has kind of the bangs right here. So I'm going to draw it here. Just like a thin line. She's got the bang look in front of her face. Curve up. Gonna go down. Curve in, up. Line. Okay, so you have those bangs. Cool, cool. I'm gonna go right here, line right there for one ear, maybe a line over here for the other ear kind of sticking out, and she's gonna have the bangs kind of sticking out. It's gonna look like a bowl cut in the beginning, okay? So kind of be prepared for that kind of look. Up over here for kind of top of her head, up, down, over here, like so. Okay, kind of looks like a bowl cut so far, right? So to kind of obviously offset that, go over here, and I'm gonna draw just kind of wiggly line, and that wiggly line is gonna represent, you know, her I think pigtail, right? What do they call it? Pigtail, her braid. Down one side, we can kind of make it go down off the camera even. It ties back down there. Now we're gonna go this side, same exact thing. Down over here. Cool, cool. If you want, you can like thicken that out a little bit. And if you also want right here, you can throw a little bit of the eyebrow right here, sticking out from underneath. Right there, that's kind of it can be really important. It doesn't have to be that, but it can be. Line over here. Line, line, line. Line, line. A line right there to throw in those striations in there for the hair. Let's go down here for the neck. Line over here. I would err on actually making the neck a little too thin if you're gonna do either one, because I would say like it's better to be too thin than too thick of a neck. It's gonna make her look too over the top if it's like that. Okay, line over here, down. See right there, and then we're gonna go in here, downward. Out, down, downward like here, out, down over here. And then line down here for kind of the center of that outfit. Okay. If you want to throw more shortcuts right here, you can just throw X's down, right? Because this is an abbreviated drawing. Right there, you're indicating. Right on. If you want to make it a little bit more, like I said, you can also throw like a little bit of line right here for the ridge of the nose, right there, so the middle part doesn't look so big. Thinner line though. Line over here. Don't forget, hit that like button if you like learning how to draw stuff in general. There's always kinds of different types of drawings within kind of the atmosphere of this area. She's a little bit of a butt chin as well. But that is one way to draw Wednesday. You can even draw like the eyelashes at the bottom here. But that's a big part of her look. What you could do as well, color in this entire area right here. That's another thing you could possibly do, which I might throw in a little bit of dark right now, just to kind of make it look like that. So let me throw in a little bit of dark right here. I'm gonna throw in a that's too dark. Let's see this. Is this dark? Yeah, that's too dark as well. Let me throw in a little bit of a marker to just kind of balance it out. And let me throw an N6 here. Yeah, just to give it a little bit of. Let me show you. It's just kind of a gray. It's a grayscale marker, and I'm doing that because I almost feel like having that dark hair is integral to her design, right? Like in line art, it's just hard to get her type. A big part of Wednesday's from the Addams Family's type is having that dark extra layer like to her value. And I could have colored the whole thing black, like her whole hair black, but I thought that'd be way too much. So I'm just gonna be doing that. Right here. Cool, cool, cool. It's kind of putting that in there. But don't forget, let me know what else you want to see on this channel, what you want to see as far as some cool drawings go. It's always fun to kind of do these. I even make her outfit dark as well below her, below that. And if you really want, like I said, also you can throw a little bit more dark around the eye. I don't think I would throw it in the lip, to be honest. Although she does have dark lips generally, but I don't think it'll work. But that's a good shorthand. I want to thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Remember, every stroke you do gets you closer to the finish. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.